Hi, welcome to my art channel. My name's Nikki. Thank you for being here with me. So my first colour is Triart Rose Gold and I'm working on a 12-inch round canvas today. Second colour, Atelier Brilliant Magenta, and my pillow is British Paints. That's the actual name of the brand of the paint, just low sheen white house paint, and that is this little piggy TLP Athena, which is a beautiful rose gold which shifts from pink to gold, which you'll be able to see at the end in the flyover video. And that's Jo Sonja Aqua. And as you can see, I haven't put much of the aqua down because it is an opaque colour. I generally use a transparent on the top under my cell activator, but today I use this opaque one. And my cell activator is Atelier Blue Black and Atelier Phthalo Turquoise, equal parts mixed together with Australian Floetrol, approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to the 1 part of the paint. And the details for my hairdryer will be in the description box. It's an Estelle, that's the brand, and I use it on low speed and the coal setting. So I'll let you carry on watching, and you'll see that I embellish it in this video as well. And the reason I embellish is because the blue did really take over in one part of it and it just looked a bit weird, so it needed some embellishing, and I only did a little bit of embellishing in a really pretty soft metallic pink by Posca pen, and I think it was just enough. I think it really broke up the turquoise and I'm really happy with it. Hope you like it. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it, and then you'll know when I publish a new video. And any questions, ask in the comment section below. There's a link to my paint mixing video also, and a link to Shelley Art e-course, and there's my discount code to get you 15% off the course too. So I'll let you carry on watching. Everybody take care, stay safe, see you all next time, bye.
We left the room of fight once again, love. Yeah, we said some things we didn't mean, hun. I always start the fight and you put the fire out. I always say too much and I get jealous. I never hear you out and that is selfish. I always start the fight and you put the fire out. I'm sorry for the way we left things. I know you're hurting. I didn't mean to start a war. I'm still learning how to talk about my feelings. You know it is hard sometimes. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to keep my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Always keep my guard up and I'm sorry. I built my walls so high you couldn't climb them, but you're not the one to blame. I know this is all on me. I'm sorry for the way we left things. I know you're hurting. I didn't mean to start a war. I'm still learning how to talk about my feelings. You know it gets hard sometimes. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Maybe I just need some time, some space. us two. Every road leads me back to you. 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 Baby, I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my all to you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my all to you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two.